So how do you share location on your Android phone? Let me explain it and show you some common ways people do it. So if it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get into it. Well, most commonly, especially if you want to share it with anyone, like even with iPhone users, for example, it might make sense to get the WhatsApp if you haven't downloaded the app already, but I assume that you did. A lot of people use it. And the point is that using this, you can share your location in a very comfortable way. So, for example, I open up one chat. You can see I can type in the messages and send photos and all of the regular stuff. But next to the text field, when you can type into the keyboard, we have like more things we can do. So, for example, we can type in or add some stickers, right? Or we can click on the attachment and add photos, open up the camera. And one of the options is also the location. So, you can click on location, click on continue like so. Make sure that if the app asks for your location, you give it access. Otherwise, it's not even going to work. So make sure that you do this. I'm going to click on allow or only this time. But it just means that I get the live location as such and I can send it to someone, right? So what I can do is send the current location as a static point, meaning that I share where I happen to be right now, or I can also share live location, meaning that you essentially share your location as you move around the world, right? And the people the other side can just check on you and see where you happen to be at this very moment. As you can see, for some reason, it is not working on this device. So if you have like a new phone, it is more likely that it's going to be functional, but that's essentially it. That's how you can do this to share the location. Outside of that, we also have more options. It's not like this is the only one. A lot of people also utilize the Google Maps, where you can also get inside and you can go to your location as well, right? Make sure you also allow location, and you can tap on your dot in here to see your location. The accuracy is low, I guess, but you can share it, right? And you can also share the real-time location. So using Google Maps, you also have the regular ability to share it, right? You can see that send it for an hour and send it to whatever person I want. So very useful stuff, and that's one of the best ways you can really do it. So I hope it helps. That's what I wanted to show you and explain. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below, and I'll see you later.